Ever miss that perfect wildlife moment because your gear couldn't keep up? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best binoculars for wildlife viewing 2026 that'll bring every detail to life and elevate your outdoor experience. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned for real value, and naturally, grab your favorites through the links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is Deesoo Binocular. Wildlife rarely waits for perfect conditions, and that truth hits the first time distant movement blurs into guesswork. Many people struggle with shaky views, heavy optics, or eye strain during long observation sessions, which quickly steals the joy of nature watching. This binocular answers that frustration with strong magnification that pulls animals closer while keeping details sharp and composed. Large objective lenses brighten scenes at dawn and dusk, making feather patterns and subtle motion easier to read. The grip feels reassuring in cold mornings, and focusing stays smooth even when tracking fast-moving subjects. Compared to lighter wildlife binoculars for 2026 that trade power for portability, this option leans into clarity and reach, though it carries a bit more weight. The pros are vivid optics, stable viewing, and comfort over time, while the cons are bulk for long hikes. When landscapes stop feeling distant, connection replaces effort. At number 4 is Nikon Binocular. Few moments feel as humbling as spotting wildlife just before it disappears into shadow. Many viewers struggle with dim images, fogged lenses, or heavy gear that turns patience into frustration. This binocular answers that quietly. The view opens wide and bright, pulling birds and animals into crisp focus even during early mornings. Multi-layer glass reduces glare, so colors feel natural instead of washed. The body feels reassuring in wet grass and cold air, while the lighter weight makes long walks easier. Compared with bulkier wildlife binoculars for 2026 that chase extreme power, this one balances reach and comfort. The pros are clarity, weather resistance, and easy handling, while the cons are fewer advanced controls than premium models. It rewards calm observation, builds confidence through reliability, and lets nature set the pace without distraction during every quiet outdoor moment. Alone today.
The third one on our list is FLYANT Binocular. Most people never realize how much wildlife they miss until a distant movement snaps into focus. Many binocular buyers fear shaky views, eye strain, and washed colors when animals appear briefly. This model tackles that fear fast. Strong magnification pulls distant birds and game closer, while the wide view keeps tracking smooth. The eyepiece feels steady during long scans, reducing fatigue on slow hikes. Glass coatings brighten shadows, so fur and feathers stay detailed at dawn. Compared with lighter travel binoculars used for wildlife viewing in 2026, this one favors reach and clarity over compact size. The pros are sharp images, stable handling, and rugged grip, while the cons are extra weight and less pocket friendliness. It brings relief through focus and creates value by turning fleeting sightings into memorable moments that stay vivid after the trail goes quiet. On number 2 is Celestron Binocular. Most wildlife moments vanish because distance turns magic into blur. That frustration hits hard when heavy binoculars feel shaky or dim just as animals emerge at dawn. This one flips that experience. Powerful magnification pulls far-off movement into view, while large lenses drink in low light with surprising calm. Details stay crisp when shadows stretch and colors soften. It feels built for patience. Long sessions from a tripod become relaxing instead of tiring. Compared to lighter wildlife optics used in 2026, this option trades portability for reach and brightness. The pros are stunning clarity in dim conditions and a rugged body that handles rough trips, while the cons are size and the need for steady mounting. Still, it delivers quiet relief by turning distant silhouettes into living scenes that linger long after the moment fades. Now, moving to the last one is Vortex Crossfire Binocular. Wildlife rarely waits for perfect conditions, and that is where many binoculars disappoint. Blurred edges, fogged lenses, and hand fatigue ruin the moment. This one feels different from the first look. The view snaps sharp, with balanced magnification that keeps animals framed without losing surroundings.
Colors stay natural even at sunrise thanks to bright glass and clean light control. Focusing is smooth and fast, which matters when movement is sudden. Compared with heavier wildlife binoculars trending in 2026, this design stays compact yet tough for long hikes. The pros are clarity, reliable weather sealing, and a grip that feels secure all day, while the cons are less extreme zoom than oversized models. Still, it brings relief and real value by turning distant motion into calm, detailed scenes you can actually enjoy during quiet evenings and slow mornings in the wild. Among all, the winner is Celestron Binocular because it delivers clear optics, solid build, fast focus, versatile performance, and reliable viewing that enhances adventure. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best binocular for wildlife viewing 2026s. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.